think when customers selecting a Windows Virtual Desktop solution, right? Like Microsoft said, like WVD is a platform. So on top of that platform, it requires some companies coming in and develop solution on top of it. Citrix is the solution for customers who want to adopt WVD platform. So, and when you're selecting a right solution to implement on this platform, you need to think about what is the best way to deploy my solution into the platform, and what is the easiest way that I can continue to maintain that platform. And Citrix had many years of experience in this area where we are adding a lot of capabilities that allow a customer to directly deploy their solution very quickly.
Moving to the cloud is a big challenge because you're moving your desktops and the front end of your applications to the cloud, but a lot of times those applications have back-end infrastructure, so moving that to the cloud as well. So those are things that people have to work through when they do that migration ultimately, and train the users to understand what the difference is and why they're providing the solution.
Some challenges that we've are anticipating with Windows Virtual Desktops. First of all, we're in the GovCloud as a government agency, so it's not yet available to us. So that's coming and it's exciting, but it's also a slow release to roll out to the government agencies. Some of the challenges, I think, are resolved by IGEL just because of their partnership with Citrix and Microsoft. So what happens right now with IGEL on our on-premise environment should correlate nicely up to the cloud and Windows Virtual Desktops.
Some of the challenges of moving to Windows Virtual Desktop are just getting started and getting an initial setup, kind of learning the platform, what's available, being able to take advantage of that. One of the big things is just getting started with Windows Virtual Desktop, and so the customer needs to be able to learn the steps and follow those. Using IGEL as an access point is super easy and kind of takes care of that part of the process really well. And then that's something that we'll be working on together going forward as well to make it easier and easier to use all the time.
The challenges that customers will face is, how do I get there? You see the map that you are here sometimes, and you've got to figure out how to get where you are, and unfortunately there's not a Google or Bing Maps to show you exactly how to get there. With IGEL already being embedded in the Citrix, VMware, and RDS community with not only thin client hardware but also the Edge OS repurposing desktops, customers are already used to using that. So it's as easy as dropping off a new icon on the desktop that's configured to get you to that new WVD desktop. And likewise, we have a great fit in there with Liquidware, with cloud staging. So customers want to know how to get their user data, their user profiles, and their applications ready to take advantage of WVD when they're ready, when they feel like it's mature enough to jump in. And that's because a lot of them might be on a Citrix or VMware desktop today. They may be net new coming into a virtual desktop.